Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get rid of OneDrive. Let's have a look now. To get rid of OneDrive account from your computer, start by opening the OneDrive application. Then click on Settings. In the OneDrive Settings window, navigate to the Account tab. To remove the OneDrive account from your computer, click on Unlink this PC. This action will disconnect the current account from the OneDrive application on your computer. To get rid of OneDrive, we will need to uninstall. Open the control panel, select Programs, and then Programs and Features. In the Programs and Features window, scroll down and find Microsoft OneDrive. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.